everyone? The Hopspot here, giving you another brew review. I'm super excited about today's review because I'm doing it on the Southern Tier Samoa This Imperial Stout. I'm a huge fan of Southern Tier dessert beers, creme brulee, the chocolate. Back when I first started getting into craft beers, I had those beers and I was like, whoa, beer can taste like dessert, like pure chocolate, and it just blew my mind. So here we are with the Samoa This. I saw it at the store. I immediately picked it up. I was like, I want that. I want that beer. I want to try that beer. And here we have it today. So let's get into the review. This beer is 10% ABV. Pouring it into a snifter glass because I really want to get that aroma on the beer. Woo, wow. All right. So for the appearance, it is a jet black in color. Very thin head of light caramel brown. Minor carbonation, can't really see because it's so dark. Oh, there you go. Just making sure the beer's in the shot. Nice. All right, so let's go in for the smell. Whew. Wow, that is super coconutty, like just massive notes of coconut. And then you have the chocolate in the background there. Also with that sweet caramel smell also, but on the nose, just huge amounts of coconut. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's go in for the taste. Cheers. Oh, wow. Taste follows the nose. A lot of amounts of coconut. I know this is like a Samoa beer, so you're gonna think Samoa Girl Scout cookie, which are my favorite Girl Scout cookies, by the way. Actually, I really love Thin Mints growing up, but then Samoa's like, if I could pick between the two, definitely be a Samoa. This, whoa, on the back I get that really sweet caramel finish. But yeah, right away, just lots of amounts of coconut in here. Yeah, sure, it resembles like a Samoa cookie, but for me, that coconut kind of resembles like an Almond Joy. I don't know why, but I just thought of that Almond Joy. You know, when you take a bite of that Almond Joy, you get like that coconut taste and that chocolate on the outer covering, along with that little nut flavor. Oh yeah, it's like an Almond Joy mixed with a Samoa cookie. It's really good. Super sweet. Oh yeah, 10%. Forget about it. You cannot taste that at all. This is a very drinkable beer. Body is full. It's rich. Pretty bold beer. Wow. Chocolate. Very nice chocolate notes in there. My analogy for this beer is a well, I forgot what it, oh yeah, an Almond Joy and a Samoa just mushed together into a dessert beer. Overall, man, I haven't had a beer like this in a while. I'm pleasantly surprised. Actually, I'm not surprised because Southern Tier dessert beers are always on point for me. I'm gonna rate this overall a 4.5 out of 5. Very nice beer. It would go perfectly with like any kind of dessert, maybe some ice cream or like some pie after a nice dinner. It is a dessert beer, so you should pair it with some kind of dessert. You know what? I actually have some ice cream in that freezer behind me. Should I do it? I don't know. Maybe after the review. I'm going to enjoy this beer. Question of the day. What did you think about this beer? If you haven't had the Samoa This yet, what are your favorite Southern Tier beers? That's all I have for today, so thank you so much for tuning into today's brew review. I highly recommend the Samoa This beer, Southern Tier. Go get it. Cheers. All right, everyone, I've decided. Ice cream in that freezer, Samoa This dessert beer right here. Let's do this. that cookie crunch? This is like a dream come true. Now I'm gonna pour the Samoa in. I'm not even sure how to make a float. Like the last time I did it, I was a kid, but let's just pour some of the beer into the ice cream. Whoa. Alright. Whoa. See that? Look at that. Sizzle. Amazing. Right? Got some of that cookie on there with the beer. Here we go. Whoa. Beer adds like this coconutty flavor to the ice cream. And a hint of booziness to it too. Oreo mixed with coconut, that's what I'm having right now. Pretty good. Alright guys, see you later. Peace.